Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you today? Are you fine, girls? That's great. Okay, girls. Are you excited to start my own lesson for today, girls? Great. Now, let me start my own lesson for today, but before starting, I should ask you about the day and the date. Who can tell me, girls? What's the day today? Today is what? Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Let's spell the word Thursday together. Thursday again. Thursday, and the date is 28 to 1442 after Hijrah. Today is Thursday. Thursday, and the date is 28 to 1442 after Hijrah. Okay, girls, now I want you to open your notebook, please. Open your notebook, write the day with the date, then copy this sentence in your notebook. They are playing basketball. Copy this sentence in your notebook. They are playing basketball. Okay, girls? Now, let's take a quick revision before starting my own lesson today. We will play together balloons game. Now, let's see the first question behind number 1. How do you feel today? I feel happy today. Why? Because today is Thursday, okay? Now, what about number 2? What do you do every day? Now, let me throw in Palon for question 1. What do you do every day? I pray every day. I do my homework every day. I help my mother every day. I watch TV every day. Okay? Let me throw in Palons because my answer is correct. Number 3. Choose the right answer. Is, am, or are they playing football? They what? They are playing football. So my answer is correct. Now I will throw in. Number 4. Make 2 sentences using the present continuous. She is watching TV. He is playing volleyball. Okay, girls, now my answer is correct. Now I will throw in Palon. Let's see the last one. Choose the right answer. Am, is, or are. He reading a book. He what? Is or are? He is reading a book. So my answer is correct. Now I will throw the last balloon. Bravo. Now let's start my own lesson for today. Lesson 3 in Unit 3. It's about things we do as we said before. Page number 24 and 25. Please, girls. Now I want you to open your books. Open your books, please, girls. Page number 24 and 25. Write the day with the date, then close your books. Hurry up. Now, let's take a quick revision. We took the present continuous before, and I will repeat and repeat until you understand what do I mean by the present continuous. Okay? Now, first of all, we should use, what should I use with I? For example, sorry girls, wait. Wait, please. I am, okay? I am, I am. So, what should I use with I? I should use am, okay? I should use am. I am. Again, I am plus what? Plus the verb with ing. Plus the verb with ing. Okay, girls? Plus the verb with what? Plus the verb with ing. So I am. For example, I am watching TV. I am watching TV. Okay? What about she? She is. She is plus the verb with ing. For example, she is watching TV or she is doing her homework. Okay? What about he? He is plus the verb with ing. Okay? He is plus the verb with ing. For example, he is playing basketball. It is plus the verb with ing again. For example, it's raining today. It's raining today. They are. They are plus the verb with ing. Okay, girls? Focus with me, please. They are plus the verb with ing. We are plus the verb with ing. You are plus the verb with ing. Okay, girls? Now, if I say Amal, what should I use with Amal? Is or are? Of course, I should use as. Why, girls? Because Amal is singular. So, Amal is reading, for example, Amal is reading a, a book. Amal is reading a book. So, Amal is reading a book. Okay, girls? Okay, when I say Amal and Sarah, Amal and Sarah are. Why, girls, I should use are? Because we have two names, Amal and Sarah, plural names. Okay, girls? Now, let's start. My own questions. Number one, choose the right answer. What is she doing? What is she doing in the picture? Number one, she is reading a book. No, she is not reading a book. Two, she is doing karate. I think it's true. She is jumping. No, she is not jumping. So the correct answer is she is doing karate. Now I'm sure that my answer is correct. Okay, let's see. Choose the right answer. What is she doing here in the picture? She is sleeping? No, she's not sleeping. She's walking? No, she is not walking. She is eating snacks? Yes, she is eating snacks. So my answer is number three. And I'm sure about my answer. Now, number three. Bravo. Choose the correct answer. We learning English. We am? No. We as? No. We does? Of course not. So, we are learning English. We are learning English. Choose the right answer. Is, am, or are. Okay? Choose the right answer. Is, am, or are. Number one, I, then space, watching TV. I watching TV. I what? I am watching TV. Two, they playing basketball. They are playing basketball. They are playing basketball. She doing her homework. She what? She is doing her homework. We studying English. We are studying English. Okay, girls? Now, let's see. What is she doing? What is she doing, girls, here? She's what? She is watching TV. Again, what is she doing? She is watching TV. Okay? Let's see here. What is he doing? What is he doing in the picture? He is doing his homework. He is doing his homework. So, she is watching TV. He is doing his homework. What is he doing? He is playing football. He is playing football. Right? Now, please, girls, now I want you to open your books. My lesson today is very easy. So, please, girls, open your books. Open your books, please, girls, page 24. And listen, please. And listen.
Words in action. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say. 1. I'm doing my homework.
I'm doing my homework.
He's doing his homework. 2. I'm watching TV.
I'm watching TV.
He's watching TV. 3. I'm eating snacks.
I'm eating snacks.
He's eating snacks. 4. I'm doing karate.
I'm doing karate.
He's doing karate. 5. I'm playing football.
I'm playing football.
He's playing football. 6. I'm playing computer games.
I'm playing computer games.
He's playing computer games.
Okay, girls, words in action. We will use am or he is, okay? Now, number 1, I'm doing my homework. He is doing his homework. 2, I'm watching TV. He is watching TV. 3, I'm eating snacks. He is eating snacks. 4, I'm doing karate. He is doing karate. 5, I'm playing football. He is playing football. 6, I'm playing computer games. He is playing computer games. Okay, girls? Now, sports with a ball. What are the sports with a ball? We have football, basketball, tennis, volleyball. Okay? These sports are used with a ball. Okay, girls? Now, let's see sports without a ball. Sports without a ball, girls. Karate and rock climbing, for example. Okay, girls? In my lesson, we have only the word karate, okay? We don't have the word rock climbing, okay? Girls, now let's see the new word of my own lesson today. Let's play picture reveals to discover the new words, okay? Now, let me remove number 3. Can you guess what's the word? I think I can see chips and donuts. Let me remove number 2. I can see ice cream and pizza. I can see ice cream also and popcorn, chocolates. Now, can you guess what we call all these things? We call them snacks. Okay, girls? We call them snacks. Spell the word snacks with me. S-N-A-C-K-S. Snacks. He is eating snacks, or I'm eating snacks. S-N-A-C-K-S. S-N-A-C-K-S. Okay, girls? So the first word in my lesson today is snacks. S-N-A-C-K-S. Let's see the second word in my lesson today. Let me remove number 1. Can you guess what's the word? No. Let me remove number 3. TV or computer. I don't know. Let me remove number 4. Now, can you guess? Yes, now I can guess what's the word. I can see a girl playing computer games. So, she is playing computer games. So, the new word is computer games. Again, computer games. COMPUTERGAMES. She is playing computer games. She is playing computer games. So today we have 2 words, snacks and computer games. Okay, girls? Now please open your books, page number 24, and listen again.
And letters. Exercise 2. Listen, point, and say. Then read and circle. Listen and point. Ring, ring.
Ring,
Wing, wing.
ring, wing,
Speaking,
speaking. So
speaking.
ring, wing,
Now
speaking.
listen.
Okay, girls? Now let's see fun time. Card snap game. We will play this game together, girls, in my life. So please prepare yourself. Now your homework is page number. Your homework is page number, girls, 83 and 84. Do the homework, please. Your homework is page number 83 and 84, girls. Please don't forget to trace the gray words here. Trace the gray words here. Here I will turn on my own audio in my life in order to listen. Okay, girls? This is the end of my own lesson today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.